Hello everyone, hello Philippines, mabuhay. For today's video, I will show you my life here in our comfort truck. So as you can see, today I'm alone because my partner in crime is not here. So I'm alone here in our truck. So of course he has a business trip in Scotland. He just stayed there on 15 days. So I can do whatever I want here. Yeah. So today I will clean our place. Honestly, I don't like dirty place. Yes, just kidding. So as you can see, I cleaned my own dirt. So makalat, sit at thing. Today I remove all the dirty cover because I have planned to go to the cold spring and wash all my laundry. Okay guys, before I go somewhere, I will clean this place. You know guys, honestly it's really hard for me to do some stuff here in our camper truck. Especially yung refilling the water in tank. Of course, pag nagde-drain din. And this is the first time to live alone here. So yun nga, when you living alone, you have no choice. Kasi nga before, yung partner ko talaga yung mga gumagawa ng mga bagay na ganyan. So talagang inaasahan ko siya, hindi ako gumagawa ng mga bagay na ganyan. Then, nung umalis siya, it's really hard for me, yes. Kasi nga, yon kailangan wala kang you have no choice, kumbaga. You should do anything kasi wala kang maaasahan. Yun lang. Yes, that is sunny day. Wow, it's so hot. It's already 9 a.m. Okay, so that is my baby boy. Yeah, it's look like a big bike but it's smaller like me. Sorry guys. If you notice that my voice is like a super maarte. Yeah, super maarte. It's because I try my best to make my voice sweet. Yeah, because they said my voice is very like a monster. Always look like always angry. Yes, we park our camper truck here in Erosin, Sorsogon. Yes, we paid that. 6,000 yung parking area niya. Yeah, yun lang. Bye!